All current 8th grade students planning to attend a District 155 school this fall must be enrolled with the high school district. School enrollment is a one-time process during which the student's parent or guardian completes an online enrollment application, providing necessary demographic information and required enrollment documents. This video will assist parents and guardians to enroll their children in preparation for 9th grade. Enrollment is often confused with school registration. Registration is a separate process occurring every year a student remains enrolled in the district and includes payment of school fees. Information about school registration will be sent to parents in May. Parents and guardians must supply specific documents to complete school enrollment, and these required documents must be saved digitally in either JPEG or PDF format. Required enrollment documents are the student's birth certificate and proof of residency within District 155. The lists on your screen identify acceptable documents to use as proof of residency. A parent or guardian must supply one item from List 1 and 2 items from List 2. Enrollment is accomplished using an online portal, and we encourage parents and guardians to prepare the required enrollment documents prior to accessing the portal. The online enrollment portal can be found on the District 155 website. Click on the Incoming Freshman Class of 2027 button in the banner near the top of the screen. This dedicated web page contains useful information for the parents of current 8th graders. Scroll down to the section titled High School Enrollment and select the button for New Student Online Enrollment. There is an option for English and Spanish instructions. We will use English for this video. This information sheet details two options. The first one, on the left, is for parents and guardians who do not currently have children enrolled in District 155. Parents selecting option 1 will be directed to establish an online account to complete enrollment. Once an account is set up, the parent can complete the online enrollment process. The second option on the right is for parents who currently have a child attending a District 155 school. These parents must log into their existing Skyward Parent Access account using a web browser such as Chrome or Safari to view the New Student Online Enrollment link in the sidebar. New Student Online Enrollment is not supported in the Skyward Family Access app. Families that already have a student attending District 155 school should be aware that only the parent listed as primary in Skyward is able to complete enrollment for their incoming freshman child. Once in the portal, the parent or guardian will see the 6-step enrollment application laid out for completion. Step 1 is for information about the student. Parents of incoming freshmen should select next school year and first day of school when completing the items in this section. Step 2 is for details about the family and legal guardians associated with the student. Some boxes may be pre-filled based on information previously supplied. The primary guardian is entered first, and additional legal guardians can be entered next. Step 3 provides the opportunity to share information about any medical conditions the student has, which may be valuable for the school to know about. Emergency contacts are listed in Step 4. An emergency contact is an adult other than a parent or legal guardian who was listed in Step 2. A maximum of 3 emergency contacts can be listed. The parent supplies all required enrollment documents in Step 5. Digital files must be saved in either JPEG or PDF format to be accepted. Choose the appropriate files as shown so they are included with the enrollment application. Step 6 contains 2 required questions that will help ensure that District 155 is prepared to support its future students more fully. The parent must respond to the questions and click the Save button in the upper right corner of their window to complete the step. Once all 6 steps are complete, the parent can click the Submit Application to the District button at the bottom of the page. Submitted applications are sent to a queue for review by the District 155 Registrar team. Upon review of the application, the parent will receive an email notification regarding approval or the need for further information. Support with the enrollment process is available by contacting the District 155 Registrar's Office by phone at 815-455-8510 or by email at enrollment@d155.org.